So if you are a Nigerian traveler and you have moved from one place to another within Nigeria, you must have been familiar with a lot of people trying to feed you along your journey. Nigeria are very blessed with street food, and we try all our best, to produce one of the best in Africa. So today, I'll be going from one place to another to check on their street food. So currently, I'm in Ikoli, and I will be going from one place to another to check on their food. And let's see how it goes. I know it's a small town, so they might not have that as much as street food that we can think about, but let's check out what they have. So let's go. It's nice, man. So I just passed through the dog meat seller. That's Douglas. But I don't eat dog, so I don't eat dog. I will have bought some, but I don't eat it. Even the smell. I'm not religious, but it's not the thing that I eat. So that's one. So I think today is their market day, and I'm going to a place, and I just have to pass through the markets. So let's see, maybe we can see one or two street food that we can video shoot. I haven't seen many street food like that, but let's keep walking. So I have a client here that she sells food, but let's check out. What did they sell? IB. So I have a place here that she sells food, but let's check it out. Maybe she's at shop. Definitely she's there. Ekaro. Yes. No, I'm doing a video because so I have to documentary oúnjẹ tí àwọn èèyàn ń tà ládùúgbò, so mo lè kí n kúyà ẹ kúṣẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ń jẹun náà. She was even surprised to see me. Very, very surprised. She always see me on Fridays, but seeing me, she was surprised, and she was like asking me why am I here, and I have to tell her that I'm making a video, like I said earlier, that I want to record her selling food. I eat all the foods. I have a client that sells all these buns, akara, and egg roll, fish pie. I branch at that place. Usually don't eat in the morning. I'll just be showing you those street food. I may not buy because my stomach cannot contain every one of them. They're not much, but you see them. So the time that I'm using to create these videos, I'm supposed to be in a particular place. I hope this does not affect my work. Guys, it's like all their food here is bread. They don't have much street food. There's this popular one, the popular snacks they used to eat. They have poki. It's one of the common snacks they take here. So when somebody buy it, they usually buy soft drink with it, and they take it and they are okay. So all I've been seeing is bread, flour made snacks, and all this chin chin. This nothing special anyway. Let me show you what poke look like. This one. Yeah, I'm very happy. See, this is what it look like. You must have seen this. It made with just like bread in small form. So sweet. This one is 15 naira. So I'm seeing another street food that I can buy, which is bole. It's fucking hot. That I'm eating, it's kind of white, tastes like ripe banana. You can see my mouth, very dry. It's very dry. If you are eating it, you have to have water by your side. It's very nice. Very good. You can check it out. Bigger man. Ma? She potato. Yeah. We are going to introduce this one to you. Probably you know it. So